This is an enigma wrapped in mystery. Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. No video on Monday. It is Labor Day in the United States. It's also my dog's birthday, so we had a 10th birthday party for him. And we had a pretty decent sized barbecue. Working on the car today. I really want to get that axle hung in there. So I think we're going to start working on the rear wheel well and the undercarriage as far as getting it getting all hooked up. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a quick break. A bit of a mess. You can see it's not, it's a lot greasier than the other side was. I don't know why this is so greasy. Alright, we're doing it again. Alright, we're going to take a quick break because both of my batteries died. I have to do some torquing here, so maybe we'll get started on that. Just a quick aside from using this, and the reason why I always use goggles. Let's check this out. There's one here too. You know what? I want to do something real quick. Alright, so this is just a little bit of black RTV. Five foot-pounds. Goes like this. We'll put this on the back, I think. And then this on this side. And then we hope it pulls it all together. Just a little white lithium grease to help it move into position. I gotta use the big disc for this. Okay. So I'm going to use this, try to extend it a little bit. Still not going to be enough, so I'm probably going to do this a few times. Is that fully installed? Yeah, I think that's it. we bottomed out that. Yeah, cool, so we're installed. All right, they look about the same depth installed on each side. Cool. So this went something like this. Left to me though. I guess looking at it from the front. Doesn't come with any clips. Hold on though. Alright, let's see what we can get off the old axle. Alright, so this is the old, and these look horrendous. So I am not going to reuse those. Let's see what else I got. Should I just clip these on? Okay, these are kind of, I'm not sure if these are even the right things. So I'm assuming it's slightly temporary. Go. This is a new Ford axle vent tube, very important. There's a little thread locker on it, so. Now there's supposed to be a bracket that holds this to here. Prepped for install, except that I need to pop this out, fill this up from here until it comes out here, and then cap both sides off, and then we're ready to go. Alright, the batteries are charged. Well, at least one battery's charged. We're gonna get back on this. Dead again. 2 full 6 amp hour batteries, and I'm not done. Charged a little bit. We'll see how much we can get done with this. Gonna take a quick break and then start sanding. All right, I'm gonna be using the this a little bit. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna actually record, but I'll just leave the camera running. another brake. I'm gonna blow this out. I'm gonna wipe it down with wax and grease remover, and then I'm gonna spray it with some rust converter. I'm gonna wrap this one up. We got this wheel well all painted in. Got some drips. All of this is gonna get covered in undercoating once again. Good undercoating, and you won't be able to see anything. We also got the axle brake lines. This is all torqued in. It's all prepped to go. Got new bushings installed in the vent. So yeah, I guess the next video I'm going to go a little bit further in the underbody. I have to at least do the other half of the area where the axle goes, and then hopefully we can put the axle in, and then technically it can almost go on the wheels again and actually roll out of here. I can't stop or steer, but that would be a different issue. Speaking of which, I ordered new tie rods for that steering rack. I'm gonna go with the Fox inner and outer tie rods. So that's coming soon. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ugh. It's like a stress position.